Welcome to Bike Future, your go-to source for the latest updates, reviews, and insights into the world of motorcycles. Today, we're diving into one of the most anticipated releases in the Sportbike segment, the 2025 Yamaha R15 V4. Let's take a closer look at what this machine has to offer and how it's shaping the future of the R15 series. A bold evolution in design. The 2025 Yamaha R15 V4 brings a new level of sophistication to the R15 lineup. While retaining its aggressive, track-inspired look, the V4 has undergone some striking changes that give it a more premium and refined appearance. The sharper, angular bodywork, coupled with the redesigned front fascia, gives it an aerodynamic edge. Yamaha has also integrated a new LED headlamp that not only enhances visibility but also adds to the bike's futuristic charm. The overall design feels more mature, with a blend of sport and street elements that are sure to turn heads. Engine and performance. Under the hood, the R15 V4 continues to pack a punch. The 155 cubic centimeters liquid-cooled, single-cylinder engine is tuned for a perfect balance of performance and efficiency. With variable valve actuation (VVA) technology, the engine offers optimal power delivery across the rev range. Expect more power than its predecessors, with figures hitting around 19 brake horsepower, which is more than enough to satisfy both beginners and experienced riders alike. The 6-speed gearbox ensures smooth and precise shifting, while the assist and slipper clutch adds to the overall riding experience, making it easier to manage power during aggressive downshifts. Chassis and handling. The 2025 R15 V4 maintains Yamaha's reputation for creating bikes that offer exceptional handling. It comes equipped with a Delta box frame, which gives the bike a solid, yet agile feel. The front suspension is a telescopic fork, while the rear features a monoshock system. Both offer a balance of comfort and performance, making it an ideal choice for daily commuting as well as weekend rides. The 17-inch alloy wheels wrapped in Michelin tires provide excellent grip, ensuring you can push the limits on both tight corners and straight roads with confidence. Technology and features. One of the biggest highlights of the 2025 Yamaha R15 V4 is its updated tech suite. The bike now comes with a fully digital TFT display, which offers clear and easy-to-read information like speed, revs, fuel economy, and lap times. It also features Bluetooth connectivity, allowing riders to pair their smartphones with the bike for a more connected experience. Additionally, the R15 V4 is equipped with ride modes, allowing you to customize the bike's performance to your liking, whether you're cruising through the city or pushing it to its limits on the track. Furthermore, the addition of dual-channel ABS provides enhanced safety by preventing wheel lockups during hard braking. Safety and comfort. Yamaha has not compromised on safety in the 2025 R15 V4. Along with the dual-channel ABS, the